The $800 Stock Club has a new member. Welcome to Digits. I'm Simon Constable. Here to tell us about it, Scott Austin, tech editor of the Wall Street Journal. $800 stock for one. You get one share for $800. And who's the new member?
It's Google, and it's no Berkshire Hathaway at what, $150,000, but it did hit this milestone of $800 a share, and you know it shows really Google's kind of rise. Even I think its stock was down quite a bit last year, but it's shown that it's making money off of mobile, and so investors are really putting their faith in the stock now. When you really look at it and you look at its market cap, it's still almost a half of Apple, which is one of the world's largest, most valuable companies.
And they have a stock prices, so that's
about in the 500. Yeah, it's about
so there's only four companies in this, including Berkshire Hathaway, Seaboard, and NVR.
Yeah, it's an exclusive club,
but yeah. It doesn't really matter, does it?
No, and you mentioned the Washington Post. They were above 800 a while back. Now they're way down from there. There's another company. Priceline, it traded almost $1,000 in 1999, of course, during the boom days. Nowhere near that today. It really is irrelevant. You really have to look at the market cap, and of course, Google,
which is price
about $265 billion.
Yeah. But it's also price times the number of shares outstanding.
Right. So that's a key, right? It depends on how many shares are outstanding there. So how relevant this really is, it's just another one of those things we'd probably like to talk about. Really, what we're looking at in Google stock, I think, is up about 9% today. Some of that may be because of the reports that Google is looking at opening up retail stores. They showcase some of its new products. Everyone thinks about Google as a software company, but suddenly now it's becoming a hardware company. So again, there's enthusiasm about Google right now, and there wasn't as much maybe a year ago when people were wondering about if its mobile ads were going to convert into revenue.
What is interesting is about 5-6 years ago, I was looking at Google and gold, and we were having a debate at on video about, not you and I, somebody else, about which one would reach $1,000 first. Right. And I thought, Google's really gone. They were both about 700 then. Which will get to $1,000? Clearly, gold did.
Clearly, gold, yeah.
But it doesn't really matter, like you say.
No, it doesn't. And you really, again, you have to look at the market cap, and Apple. Everyone thought Apple would be the first trillion-dollar company. Maybe someday, but clearly it's stepped back now in the past few months. It's down to about $460 billion maybe right now. It's a lot, but that's really kind of the key as you're looking at the growth of these companies in the stock. And Google tried. I think that Google really wanted to do a stock split last year, so that can affect the price. So suddenly it's going to be $400 if they were able to do that. They're not able to.
Showing that it is kind of an irrelevance there.
Yeah.
Great stuff as always. Well, we congratulate them on reaching that club. Scott Austin of the Wall Street Journal. I'm Simon Constable, and that's it. That's Digits for now.